If you ain't one cute bald-headed ass girl with your bald-headed ass. And on we'll go. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today is so exciting because one, I'm recording, I get to see you guys, hello, and two, I have received some wigs that I have been waiting for it now. Y'all, like, it's rare, okay, it's rare that I be like spending my own money for my hair, but there are times that I do, like when I do my crochet videos and when I do wig videos, I tend to spend my own money. So I have been searching for some more synthetic wigs because y'all, like, synthetic is life. If you don't know, girl, you better find out. Synthetic wigs are life, you guys. You can get some really great synthetic wigs that are very realistic, very cheap, very good. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me right now, girl, at DeAndrea Renee. Go ahead. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because you got to join the family, you got to join the clique, you got to join the dolls, okay? I'm all glammed up, you know, bald-headed and glammed. So let's get some hair on this head, y'all. So jumping straight into it, I have purchased from wigtypes.com. I spent my own hard-earned coins, so they better come through, okay? Because I'm going to be mad. This is all so exciting. Now, this is Outre lace front Peruvian. This is a L-part wig, and I did get it in this color 1. So here is the girl. She all laid up, laid out, you know, looking good, but she look a little wiggy on this model, so we gonna try not to look wiggy, okay? So this is heat resistant, of course, but sometimes synthetic and heat don't mix, girl. So if you don't gotta put heat on it, don't put heat on it. But of course, this is a curly wig, so of course there's no reason for me to put heat on this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the package. Now, out of the package, it's looking a little suspect, y'all. It's looking a little synthetic off top, but we gon' finesse, okay? This wig has the L part, and it also has 3 combs, so you do get combs with this wig. So let's throw this bad boy on. We need to put this back a little bit. Okay, y'all. Let's see what we working with. Whew. Feel a little tight. Head might be a little big. Okay. So this is clearly a side part wig. So that's that and that. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace because y'all know we don't need that. So let me just go and cut this thing off. Okay, y'all, so I have cut off the lace, and this is what we looking like so far. Very, very, very wiggy, y'all. We gonna have to finesse this, y'all, cause okay, let's see what we look like. Middle parts, even though technically this is a side part wig, but ain't nobody gotta see the hairline, y'all. Y'all ain't got to see this. Okay, so I'm going to take some baby hairs out to make this look a little more realistic, and y'all just watch and see.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they won't ever love you like I do. How many times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot, but ain't gon' treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby, everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reloaded, I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love them. Minute she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey.
So here is the wig, you guys. I just sprayed it down a little. Trying to see if the curl pattern would change at all with any of the water or some of this Care curling defining custard, and didn't really change much. So, you know, if you don't like the curls, then don't get the wig, because this is the curl pattern that you will be having. Now there are some really pretty curls, you guys, like some little spirals. They kind of remind me of straws. But this wig is really light, you guys. That's what I really like about this, is it's really light. Now let me show you guys the back. Here's the back. Here's all to the back. It's pretty long. So a really cute wig, you guys. Let me see if I can kind of change it up. You know, middle part, all of that. Let's see. Okay, I kind of like the middle part. Brazilian curly on a budget, girl. Okay, I think we got a winner. Yep, I think we got a winner, y'all. I don't know. I just look better with this side. Like, every time. It does not matter what hair. It just looks better on me. Okay, you guys. So, I think I paid $20.79 for this wig. And, yeah, this wig was $20.79. It is synthetic, so a really cute curl pattern though. Very Brazilian curly type of look without Brazilian curly type of price, girl. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of this wig, cause I feel fabulous, darling. Probably should have changed my shirt, but you know, trying to keep it real with y'all, because I'm always on chill mode, okay? I do not be sitting at home looking all cute unless my boo gonna FaceTime me or something. But very cute hair, you guys. Very soft, very light. A lot of curls. So I'm feeling like a movie star, y'all, with this hair. So let me know what you guys think of this wig.